Welcome to November, my friends. You know what that means, right? It is officially the start of the holiday fashion season. We've all got a ton of events that are coming up, right? We've got Thanksgiving and Christmas Day and New Year's Eve, and not to mention all of those holiday parties too. And you're gonna need outfits. You're gonna need a lot of them. And you want outfits that make you feel confident and stylish and unbothered by, shall we say, those interesting comments that can come from relatives. We all have that one, right? That says things that they really shouldn't say. But let's get real for just a second, okay? While we, all of us, would love to have a new outfit for each of our holiday events, most of us don't have the time or the budget to be able to do that. So today, I'm gonna show you how to take some of your wardrobe staples, the things that you already own, and turn them into fabulous outfits for Thanksgiving and the holiday season. Sound good? Let's dive in. I'm Kelly Snyder from Adore Your Wardrobe, and if this is your very first episode, I just want to say welcome. I am so glad that you are here. For the past 8 years, I've been running an online fashion education program called Adore Your Wardrobe, and I have helped thousands of women demystify fashion by teaching them how to dress their unique body types using formulas that are based in math and science. Okay, so wardrobe staples. I define these as like your go-to items in your closet that are comfortable, they're stylish, and they make you feel confident when you wear them. These are the pieces that form the foundation of your wardrobe, that what you wear day in and day out. But today, we're going to elevate them just a little bit with a few simple tweaks and create some outfits that are going to be perfect for every holiday occasion. But before we dive into the looks, here is a pro tip, and that is that you have to have a plan. I tell my students and my community all the time that great fashion is planned. Knowing what you need and how to use it is half of the battle. So if you need help creating a plan, I would love for you to check out my holiday wardrobe planning video right over there, right there. I'm gonna link it into the description as well, but you can grab a free planning worksheet to help you get started. All right, let's start with our very first outfit, and that is a Thanksgiving Day casual comfort outfit. For me, Thanksgiving is all about the layers because let's be honest, who knows what the temperature is going to be at where we're having dinner, right? You could be freezing outside and then 5 minutes later be burning up inside of the kitchen, right? It's just, you never can tell. So I always like to have my outfit have a little bit of layering, so then that way you can regulate the temperature yourself and not have to worry about the thermostat. And in addition to that, I love having earthy tones for a Thanksgiving outfit. Think of the browns and the burgundies and the golds and the olives. Anything that gives that kind of fall cozy holiday vibe. All right, so for this look, I'm gonna start with a sweater lady jacket that is from the Loft. So this is beautiful dark green, dark kind of olive color. And you could really swap this for any fall tone cardigan or jacket that you might have. This is just kind of a trendy piece that's going on right now. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and layer it with this beautiful brown top from Banana Republic Outlet. Okay, so this is gonna be our base layer, and we're gonna go ahead and layer it with the jacket. So again, kind of creates that kind of fall vibe that we're feeling right now, but still very cozy, still very casual. For pants, I'd recommend something comfortable that still feels polished. So like a dark rinse bootcut jean would be perfect, but if you want something with a little bit more flair or fun, you could always try a burgundy or caramel corduroy pant as well. And for shoes, flats are your friend, especially if you're helping with the cooking. And these Mary Janes are gonna be perfect. They have the beautiful fall coloring and they're going to be comfortable on your feet as well. And then finally, let's take it up a notch. So accessories make all the difference. I'm gonna add a gold statement necklace, some brown and gold drop earrings, and then a few bracelets to give this look some texture and shine. So gold always feels fall appropriate and it's gonna pop against these earthy tones. Do you see how easy that was? We kind of took a cozy fall colored cardigan, we added some fun accessories, and it turned into something special. You look put together, but you're still comfortable enough to indulge in all the turkey and the pumpkin pie. For outfit number 2, we're gonna create a very chic Thanksgiving look for a dressier affair. Now, if your Thanksgiving is a bit dressier, maybe you're headed to a restaurant or a more formal family gathering, you still can rely on your staples. So for this look, I'm gonna start with a cranberry colored blazer from Old Navy, okay? And any fall tone blazer would work here as well. You just want to pick one that makes you feel fabulous. And underneath it, I'm going to go ahead and add a leopard silky camisole. I love leopard. It's having a moment right now, and it's a really fun way to add some trendiness to your outfit while still staying true to the holiday vibe. And then I would pair this with some cropped black pants. I love a good cropped pant. I feel like they're very modern and they're perfect for showcasing a really cute shoe. And for shoes, I'm gonna go with a flat slingback from Franco Sarto, but really any sleek flat would work. Okay, so as for jewelry, we're gonna keep it simple and impactful. A gold bangle, some statement earrings to kind of tie everything together. Doesn't this feel perfect for a dressier Thanksgiving dinner? You're taking your basic pieces, right? A blazer, some black pants, and adding enough flair to elevate the outfit and really make it festive. For outfit number 3, we're gonna have a festive lunch with our friends. Now, let's say that you're meeting some friends for a good time out, right? You wanna look fun, but not too over the top. So this is where a bit of sparkle or shine can go a long way, and it takes the everyday and makes it holiday. All right, so I'm gonna bring back the dark green, olive green sweater jacket that we had from the loft. And this time I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with a gold shiny top that is also from the loft as well. This is just a gold shiny tee. So the subtle sparkle right here in this outfit, plus the fact that it's underneath the jacket, just gives it the right amount of holiday vibe without really feeling too overdone. And honestly, I would wear this combination with the on-trend wide leg jean in a dark wash. So the fitted crop jacket is gonna highlight your waist and it's gonna balance out the wide leg, giving you a very modern and flattering silhouette. Now, if you don't have wide leg jeans, don't worry about it. Any dark wash denim will do. So for shoes, I would pick something really fun, right? I love a good leopard print, and I feel like this shoe gives a playful touch to the outfit because the shoe is just gonna peek out just a little bit underneath those wide leg jeans. Now, if you don't have leopard, don't worry. Any colored shoe would look great as well. And then I would finish the look with some sparkly earrings and maybe a sparkly bracelet, and you're ready for that lunch date. Isn't this the perfect festive lunch with friends kind of outfit, right? It's not too boring, but it isn't too over the top either. The shiny t-shirt and the colored patterned shoe instantly adds a bit of festiveness to a regular sweater and jeans outfit. I really do believe that just a little bit of sparkle can completely transform your basics. Okay, for outfit number 4, we're gonna go full on into the holiday party ready. Whether it's a holiday office party or a cocktail event or maybe dinner with friends, there are a lot of parties during the month of December. And as I said at the very beginning of the video segment, no one has the budget to buy a new outfit for all of them, right? But with a few swaps, you can really take your tried and true wardrobe staples and turn them into holiday season perfection. All right, so I'm gonna bring back this cranberry blazer from Old Navy. I love the color cranberry. It's such a versatile color. I love it because it can skew fall or winter depending on what you wear with it. And I think, again, we should pair it with those cropped black pants. I think it's going to be the perfect pant for this outfit because we are going to pile on some sequins and some sparkle. So this top from Anne Klein is so awesome. I love it because it is multicolored, and because it's multicolored, it tends to grab the color from whatever is near it, right? So can you see how it picks up that cranberry color from the blazer? Isn't that awesome? And then to keep the cranberry theme going, we're gonna add some cranberry suede pumps. So the coordinated color palette makes this outfit look so polished, but you could easily swap this with other colors like a navy or a teal or a pink, whatever works for you or whatever you already have in your wardrobe. The top is going to pull from whatever color you pair it with. Now let's pile the sparkle on with a big bold statement necklace, some big earrings, and a chunky bracelet. The holidays are the perfect time to go a little extra with all of your bling. All right, no one would have guessed that this outfit was made with things that you already own, right? The secret to nailing holiday style without breaking the bank is versatility, right? So by investing in high quality staples and learning how to build outfits around them for different occasions allows you to create countless looks. Guys, it really is about taking what you have, like I call it the ordinary, right? And adding those special touches, whether it's a bold accessory or a festive shoe or a shiny or sparkly top or adding the color of the season. Those little changes allow a different vibe for different occasions. Now, if you're feeling a bit lost on what to add to your wardrobe this season, do not worry. I've got you covered. I have a holiday fashion guide packed with ideas for all the pieces that I shared with you today, plus a ton more. And the best part is it's totally free. Just click the link in the description below and grab yours today. Remember, friends, fashion isn't about buying more stuff, it's about buying the right stuff and learning how to style it in a way that makes you feel confident. We all deserve a wardrobe that we adore, filled with pieces that fit, flatter, and make us feel amazing. All right, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you learned something new today or you love the outfits that I showed, please give this video a thumbs up or a subscribe for more fashion tips. Have a great day, everybody. God bless and take care, and I will see you next time with more fashion tips. Bye-bye, everybody.